Good morning, children. This is Shoaib also speaking. Children, as we have been dealing with the chapter 6 from R.S. Agarwal, that's about like algebraic expression. So, in which we understood, we learned how to add, how to subtract the expression. So, here in this video, I'll just explain about the multiplication of algebraic identities. So, let us give start with exercise 6b, question number 1. So the question is about 3a square into 8 to the power 3a square into 8a to the power 4. Now question is, so how to deal with this? Children, we have to just recall a bit of concepts of exponential laws, which I have already explained in the previous classes. So the rules of multiplying algebraic expression is numerical value will be multiplied with the numerical value and the variables will be multiplied with the variables. I repeat, numericals will be multiplied with the numericals and variables will be multiplied with the variables. So here 3 into 8 both are like numericals, so 3 8s are 24. I'll just write 24, and a square into a to the power 4. By the laws of exponent, when we multiply the same variables having same bases but different powers in multiplication, base remains same but the power gets added. So here both are a, so here will be a and the power will be 4 plus 2 6 as it will be added. So the final answer is 24a to the power 6. This is only the answer of the first question. Number 2 is about, let us solve number 2. Minus 6x to the power 3 into 5 into x square. So let us see how to multiply this number. Minus 6 will be multiplied with 5. It will become 5 into minus 6 will become minus 30. As I just now told that numerical value will be multiplied with the numerical. And here is the variable x cube and x square, so their bases are same. Base will remain over here same only. Powers will be added, so 3 and 2 will be added, it will become 5. So my final answer is minus 30 x to the power 5. This is how we have to like deal with this kind of questions, children. Now let us solve something like a bit different. Not different exactly, a bit bigger values. I prefer to like explain question number 8. Let us understand question number 8. It's minus 13 by 5 a b square c within the bracket into here 7 by 3 a square b c square. Children, you might might be thinking it's so difficult, how to solve it. Children, I'm telling you, I assure you it's very simple. How to solve? I'll just write minus 13 by 5 numerical. I'll just write with the numerical value. It's 7 by 3 will be multiplied, and here it's a b square c into a square b c square. Now children, the very first job that we'll have to see that any cancellation goes or not. As we can see, there is no cancellation. 3 and 13 both are prime number, 7 and 5 both are prime numbers, no cancellation can be performed. So 7 into minus 13 is minus 91 by 3 5s are 15. Numerator and numerator will be multiplied, denominator and denominator will be multiplied, and just next to it, a into a square will be a to the power 3, then b square into b will be b to the power 3, and c into c square will be c to the power 3. Okay, because the basis will be remain same, basis will remain same and powers will be added. So 2 nothing means 1, nothing means 1. So 2 plus 1 3, b square b1 plus 1 will be 3, c square into c to the power 1 will be c to the power 3. So this is how we have to deal with this kind of questions. So I hope it's absolutely clear. I believe it's absolutely clear. So this is how we have to deal with this kind of questions. So now the remaining question number like 9, 10, 11, these are absolutely similar kind of sums, and a similar process to be used over here also. Just one thing that we have to keep in our mind while we are dealing with this kind of sums, the laws of exponents will be needed, so we must have a very clear idea about it. So children, I'm assigning the homework for you all. You will try question number 9, 10 and 11, these 3 sums, and you will submit the work in the Google Classroom. If you get difficulties, feel free to ask, drop your queries in the comment section. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.